Welcome to ValueQuest, your trusted channel for practical, honest advice on products that can improve your everyday life. Today, we're diving into something that brings a touch of green to even the smallest urban spaces, the Click and Grow Smart Garden System. If you've ever dreamed of growing fresh herbs, vegetables, or even flowers but felt limited by your lack of outdoor space, this video is for you. Stick around, because later in the video, we'll reveal an unexpected way to maximize your Click and Grow harvests that you won't want to miss. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let us know if you've ever tried growing plants indoors and what challenges you've faced. Your input helps us make better content for you, and we'd love to hear your stories. Let's start with the basics. Smart garden systems like Click and Grow are reshaping how we think about indoor gardening. Unlike traditional gardening, where you need soil, fertilizer, and a decent understanding of plant care, these systems simplify the entire process. The technology behind the Click and Grow system is what makes it so appealing. It uses pre-seeded pods filled with a proprietary soil blend, self-watering capabilities, and energy-efficient LED lights that mimic natural sunlight. These features work together to create an optimal growing environment. The lights, for example, use a balanced spectrum to support photosynthesis, while the soil in the pods is engineered to provide the right nutrients without the need for messy fertilizers. And the water? The self-watering system can go for weeks without needing a refill, which is perfect for busy individuals or those prone to forgetting their plants. Now let's talk about ease of use, one of the biggest reasons people choose Click and Grow. The system is designed to be as straightforward as possible. You don't need a green thumb or any gardening experience. You simply insert the pre-seeded pods, fill the water tank, plug it in, and let the system do the rest. It's that simple. The self-watering feature ensures your plants get the right amount of water consistently, and the LED lights eliminate the need for a sunny windowsill. Maintenance is minimal. You might need to top off the water tank occasionally or prune your plants as they grow, but that's about it. This simplicity makes Click and Grow an excellent option for beginners and anyone looking to add greenery to their home without the hassle. What can you grow with a Click and Grow system? The possibilities are surprisingly diverse. For those looking for quick results, herbs like basil, thyme, and parsley are fantastic choices. You can also grow leafy greens like lettuce and kale, which are perfect for fresh salads. If you're willing to be a bit more patient, you can try strawberries or cherry tomatoes. These take longer to grow but are incredibly rewarding. And here's a creative tip. Use your harvests in recipes like homemade pesto, fresh herbal teas, or even gourmet desserts with fresh strawberries. The satisfaction of cooking with ingredients you've grown yourself is unparalleled, and it's a great way to impress friends and family. Speaking of results, let's delve into the yields and growth stages you can expect. One of the most exciting aspects of using a smart garden system is watching your plants grow from tiny sprouts to full-sized harvests. The pre-seeded pods are engineered to germinate quickly, often within a week, depending on the plant. After that, it's a steady progression of growth until your plants are ready to harvest. Yields vary by plant type, but herbs and leafy greens tend to produce the most consistently. To maximize your yields, you can experiment with light schedules and upgrade to Pro Pods, which offer even better performance. If you run into issues like slow growth or yellowing leaves, the Click and Grow app provides troubleshooting tips and plant care advice. Customizing your setup, such as marking pods with labels or adjusting the light's height, can also improve results. User testimonials frequently highlight the vibrant flavors and impressive yields, making the system a hit among beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Another standout feature of Click and Grow is its app support. The app connects to certain models, like the Pro version, offering additional functionality. You can track plant growth, set reminders for maintenance tasks, and even access a library of plant care tips. The Pro version also includes features like Bluetooth connectivity and adjustable light settings, giving you more control over the growing environment. While the standard models are more than sufficient for most users, the Pro version is worth considering if you want to take your indoor gardening to the next level. How does Click and Grow compare to Growell systems? Both brands offer smart gardening solutions, but they cater to slightly different needs. Growell systems often emphasize advanced hydroponic setups, which can be more customizable but also more complex. While Growell provides excellent growth rates and scalability, It requires more hands-on management and a better understanding of hydroponic principles. In contrast, Click and Grow focuses on simplicity and accessibility, making it ideal for beginners or those who prefer a more hands-off approach. Additionally, grow systems typically require external nutrients and more frequent monitoring, whereas Click and Grow's pre-seeded pods and self-watering system reduce the need for additional inputs. If you value ease of use and a sleek, minimalist design, Click and Grow may be the better choice for your home. However, if you're a tech-savvy gardener looking to experiment with different growing techniques, Grow could be worth exploring. Now let's address a common question: is it worth the cost? Smart garden systems aren't cheap, and Click and Grow is no exception. However, when you consider the convenience, the consistent results, and the ability to grow fresh, pesticide-free produce at home, the value becomes clear. Compared to other hydroponic systems in the same price range, Click and Grow holds its own with its user-friendly design and reliable performance. The ongoing cost of purchasing pods is something to keep in mind, but many users find that the benefits far outweigh the expenses. Of course, no product is perfect. One drawback of Click and Grow is its limited features compared to some competitors. For example, it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity and a built-in water level indicator, which some users might find useful. Additionally, the pod design can restrict root growth, potentially affecting yields. These are minor issues though, and they don't detract from the overall experience for most users. Finally, let's talk about the environmental and space-saving benefits of Click and Grow. For city dwellers and renters, the system offers a way to grow fresh produce without a garden or balcony. It's eco-friendly too, using minimal water and energy compared to traditional gardening methods. Plus, having plants in your home can improve air quality and add a touch of nature to urban living spaces. Click and Grow offers a smart, convenient way to bring gardening into your home, no matter your skill level or available space. From its user-friendly design to its impressive results, it's easy to see why so many people love this system. If you've been on the fence about trying it, now is the perfect time to take the plunge. Leave a comment below and tell us what plants you'd love to grow, or share your experiences if you've already used a smart garden. And don't forget to check the links in the description to explore Click and Grow products and find the perfect system for your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on ValueQuest.